Good afternoon, welcome to The Beast, welcome to Steve, and welcome to me with the Grace hair system. Turn that around quickly. Right, so this is Steve's second system fitting. It is cold outside, isn't it? That's why I got
a bit
cold.
chilly. I'm always cold though.
A bit chilly. And how long did the first one last, was it?
Yeah, 12 months right now, yeah.
Is it? Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Must be almost by the week, to be honest, yeah.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
So Steve's been self-maintaining and going to...
Yeah.
Yeah, in
yeah.
Plymouth, yeah, which is Daryl's...
Yeah.
This is, so Daryl vlogs for us, as you've seen, so that's working out quite well. So we'll do a video and you'll see the end result and a little bit during the preparation, and we can go from there. We're now talking about ladies and hair systems, everybody. So you don't tell anyone?
No, most of them know, yeah.
That's my fault, because it's all over YouTube.
I know. What did he say?
I would actually consider doing that for myself, but my own hair don't grow very well.
Really?
No.
Yeah, we're just talking about Steve keeps his hair quite long at the back, and it is an easy kind of length to have a hair system. Not that I'm saying you shouldn't go in for a haircut, but you can leave the haircuts longer, can't you, Colin?
Yeah. No, I mean, you'll still get it looked after, maintained every few weeks. And dyed as well, actually. Because the greys come through, don't they?
Oh, wow. She does a good job, Katie.
Yeah.
Talking of grey, everyone. Ghost Bond Platinum, yeah?
Yeah. Very, very good at talking.
Yeah.
We can go back to that if
We've been back
yeah.
and forth with it all, to be honest.
On the poly, we're putting the Ghost
Ghost Bond
Bond,
Platinum.
and on the perimeter, the Ghost Bond as well. Used.
Right. So you...
Say that again, Colin?
They put a video and showed my face, and it was like, meet the man who's revolutionised the wig industry, blah blah blah. And I was like, what?
For $49.
Yeah, yeah. And one of my clients come to me, oh, I see you're working with another company now. I was like, no. And he's pulled this advert up and showed me.
Yeah, so we're talking about get this system for $49 on the internet and Facebook. They've been taking our videos, but they can't do it when I got these signs everywhere. And here. So if you see me darting around, I'm trying to stop a little bit of Facebook raping.
Yeah. Did you manage to get them taken down then?
Yeah. Yeah. Curtis from the USA bought one, the other vlogger.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he put it on his head. It's quite a good video, to be fair.
Was it?
Yeah.
I bet it was shocking, wasn't
It's shocking.
What are they making out of it, man?
Oh, God knows.
it? It'll be synthetic fibre, cheap
For
synthetic
the UK
fibre.
guys that are listening, it's something you get at Blackpool on a stag weekend at best. Yeah?
If that, yeah.
Not like that.
He's got a serrated blade, so basically cuts and leaves long parts. So it's not a straight razor.
No.
So it just feathers the ends of the hair, so you don't
That's
get
what
that
blends
harsh
it in, I
finish.
guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you've got more room for error having having your hair longer at the side. You can let your own hair grow out longer.
Yeah.
You know, when you do have skin fades at the sides and whatnot,
It must be more difficult
you
to make
need
that
to be
play.
on it. You need to be keeping it looking right.
Yeah, if you go short, you've got to come regularly to the barber. It's quite a good discussion actually, because I can remember when I used to wear a system from the old place when I was a client. I left it long for the simple reason that I could go 5-6 weeks without having a haircut.
Yeah.
Really?
Because I couldn't afford the regreens because they
Yeah.
were so expensive. Yeah. Well, it's not another design, is it? That looks alright.
It's all right, isn't it? You've got very natural recession for your age.
It is very.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not mine though.
You're trying to say he's old?
Huh?
No, I mean I wouldn't have. I mean mine.
Yeah.
Mine was, you know, you could reverse the truck in mine. It was,
What was that? What did you say?
my mates used
Reverse
to
the
take
truck
the
in
neck,
mine.
like, you know, like, look at the cul-de-sacs on him now. You can reverse the truck in there. On the back and nothing really. It's been all very consistent, but he said, I want to come up here and get it done anyway. Because it's just thinning a little bit, like, you know, so
Yeah.
so a lot of people are in that kind of point where it's not enough to do anything about, but
I see a lot of people that come in like that.
But yeah, it does make sense to do it early. To be fair, 'cause if
You did, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Mm.
I'd have pretty
you can
much.
see why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd have pretty much full head of hair when I.
You go from one extreme to the other, and people are like,
I
"Hey,
didn't.
how's it going?"
Yeah.
And you're like,
I was using
Yeah, okay.
mainspray, spraying all that rubbish
I
on.
used Vananagen, and it. To be fair, I'm not going to knock it because it did save me.
Hmm.
You know. But, yeah.
My younger brother came up to me and said, "Phil, can you please stop spraying that stuff in your head?"
Really?
People are asking.
Really? So
questions
you
about
must
it.
have lost quite a lot then.
Yeah, I had a comb over
You
and I was
holding on
spraying
for
it.
Dear
But
life.
as soon as it was windy, it was over.
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
Yeah.
it's looking good.
yeah, it's really good.
What are you putting in there, Carl?
This is Rusel. It's a water soluble pomade. So I just find it washes out very easily. It doesn't gunk the system up.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. Like, does that really matter? Like with gels and waxes and things like that.
Yeah, big time.
Does it?
Yeah.
They've got so many good products now, haven't they?
Yeah.
Available to make styling hair easier.
I've automatically done what I've gone left to right, haven't I?
Done that on purpose.
Yeah.
How long looks good.
You're on my ass already, ready good to go out on a Saturday night.
So is that volume better? Not sticking up? Is that
Yeah,
better?
yeah, that's
Likewise.
better, definitely.
Hello.
Hello.
Good job.
Yeah, good job, mate.
And then back and sides.
Give us a smile then, Steve.
This is me smiling.
Oh, is it?
Smiling more, I'll crack.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.